Alrighty guys, just a quick little video. So see this back wall and see how there's no deviations. I just want to give you a quick and handy hint on how to do that. So trick number 1 is to mark them all together. Trick number 2 is to then number them in order. And then trick number 3 is to cut them all at once. Now this wall might seem straight, but there's about 2 to 3 mil difference. So you don't want to just cut it straight. You need to cut it on the angle, but you need each piece, so each join, to join up so it looks seamless. See that? Anyway, I'll show you how we do it. There's number 8, that goes in there. Number 9, and number 10. Now the way these all line up, see these little marks on them? So number 9 matches up. So that way when you cut it, there's no visible join.